Exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Fill in the circle with greater than or equal to as the case may be. Number 1. 3.45 and 2.921. So we have to compare which one is greater. So see, first comparing, what we have to do, we have to see the decimals are in like decimal or not. So what is like decimal? Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Okay. So after the decimal point, the digit should be same in all decimals. If not there, the first we have to make it in a like decimal. So number 1, 3.45 and 2.921. So after decimal point, how many digits are there in first decimal? 2, and here in second 3. Okay, so first we have to make it in a like decimal. So we will write 3 point. So here 3 digits are there. So we will make 3 digits in first decimal also. So 3.450. So we will add 0. Then here 2.921. So now we have to compare the whole number 3 and 2. Before the decimal point, we have to compare the number 3 and 2. Which one is the greater between 3 and 2? Yes, 3 is the greater. So 3 is greater than 2. So 3.450 is greater than 2.921. So we will write 3.45 is greater than 2.921. Number 2, 2.64 and 2.064. So first we have to make in a like decimal. So in first decimal, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2. And here in second decimal, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have to make it in a 3 digits. So 2.640, then 2.064. So first we will compare the whole number before the decimal point. Here 2 is there, in second decimal also 2. So both are same. So now we will move to the after decimal point 10th place. Okay. So 10th place is here 6 and here 0. So between 6 and 0, which one is the greater? Yes, 6. So 2.64 is greater than 2.064. So 2.640 greater than 2.064. Number 3, 7.35 and 7.45. Here after decimal point, two digits are there. Here in second decimal also, after decimal point 2 digits are there. So we are here, they are in like decimals only. So we have to compare the number. So first we will compare the whole number before the decimal 7. So here in first decimal 7 is there, and in second decimal also 7 is there. So both are same. So now we will compare the 10th place digit. So here in first decimal 3 and in second decimal 4. So which one is the greatest between 3 and 4? 4. So 7.45 is greater than 7.35. Now number 4, 0.80, 0.8. So first we will make it in a like decimal. So after decimal here 2 digits are there. Here after decimal 1 digit. So we will add 0. So 0.80, 0.80. So both are same. So we will write equal to sign. Now number 5, 3.87 and 3.078. So first we will make it in a like decimal. So after decimal here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Here 2 digits. So we will make it in a 3 digit, 3.870. Then 3.078. So now we will compare the digits. So first is 3 digit. First is 3. So in first decimal also 3. In second decimal also 3. So both are same. So now we will move to the 10th place digit. So 10th place 8 is there in first decimal and 0 is there in second decimal. So between 8 and 0, which one is the greatest? 8. So 3.870 is greater than 3.078. Now number 6, 5.240 5.420. Here after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Here also after decimal, 1, 2, 3. So they are already in like decimal. So now we have to compare the digit. So first whole number is 5 and in second also 5. So both are same. So now we will compare the 10th place digit. So in 10th place digit 2 and here 4. So between 2 and 4, which one is the greatest? 4. So 5.420 is greater than 5.240. Now number 7. 0.51, 5.10. So here also after decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 and here 2 digits. Okay. So we have to compare the whole number. So here 0, here 5. So between 0 and 5, which one is the greatest? 5. So 5.10 is greater than 0.51. Now number 8. 53.75 and 53.075. So first we have to convert them into like decimal. So here after decimal 2 digits are there. Here after decimal 3 digits. So we will make it in a 3 digit. 53.750, 53.075. So first we will compare the whole number before decimal 53, 53. So both are same. So now we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 7 and here 0. So between 7 and 0, which one is the greatest? 7. So 53.750 is greater than 53.075. Now question number 2. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater number. So first number 0.2, 0.32, 0.24. So here also first we have to convert them into a like decimal. Okay. So first we will write like decimal. So first decimal is 0.2. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1. In second after decimal point 2. In third after decimal point 2. So we have to make first decimal into 2 digits. So we will write 0.20, then 0.32, then 0.24. So now we have to compare. So our answer is, which one is the smallest first? So we will compare the whole number, means before the decimal point, in all 3 decimals 0, 0, 0. So now we will compare the 10th place digits, that is first decimal is 2. In second is 3, then in third is 2. So between 2, 3, 2, which one is the smaller? 2 is the smaller. So 0.20 and 0.24. So in this we will compare the 100th place digit, that is 0 and 4. So between 0 and 4, which one is the smallest? 0. So first we will write 0.20, then 0.24, then 0.32. Now number 2. 0.11, 0.76, 0.461, 0.81. So first we have to make it in a like decimal. So first, in first decimal, how many digits are there after decimal point? 2. In second 2. In third 3 digits, and in fourth 2 digits. Okay. So we have to make it all in a 3 digits. So 0.110, then 0.760, then 0.461, 0.810. Now we have to write in ascending order. So first we will compare the digit before the decimal point, that is 0. So in all decimals 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we will compare the 10th place digit. So in first decimal 10th place is 1. In second decimal 10th place is 7. Then 4, then 8. So between 1, 7, 4, 8, which one is the smallest? 1. Okay. So we will write 0.110. Now between 0.760, 0.461, 0.810. So we will compare the 10th place digit 7, 4, 8. Which one is the smallest? 4. So 0.461. So now between 7 and 8, which one is the smallest? 7. So 0.760. Then which one is left? 0.810. This is our answer. Now number 3. Zero 0.132, 0.0132, 0.032. So first we have to make it in a like decimal. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? 3. Here after decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. Here after decimal point 3. So we have to make it in a 4 digits. Okay. So 0.1320. So 4 digit happened. Here 0.0132. Here already 4 digits are there. And 0.0320. So our answer is, we have to write in a ascending order. So smaller digit. So first digit is 0 before the decimal. In all decimals, the 0, 0, 0. So we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 1, 0, 0. So which one is the smallest? 0. So between 0 and 0, now we will compare the 100th place digit, that is 1 and 3. So between 1 and 3, which one is the smallest? 1. So 0.0132. Then 0.0320. Then 0.1320. Now number 4. 0.215, 0.021, 0.210, 2.501. Here all decimals are in like decimals. Okay. After decimal point, all 3 digits are there. So now directly we will arrange in a ascending order. So we will compare the decimal before the digit, that is 0 in all decimals. No, 0, 0, 0, then 2. So between 0 and 2, 0 is the smallest. So first we will compare these 3 decimals. Now we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 2, 0, 2. So between 0 and 2, which one is the smallest? 0. So we will write 0.021. Now between 0.215 and 0.210. Now we will compare the 100th place, that is 1 and 1. They both are same. So we will compare the 1000th place digit, that is 5 and 0. So between 5 and 0, which one is the smallest? 0. So 0.210. Then 0.215. And which number is left? 2.501. Now question number 3. Arrange the following in descending order. Means greater number to smaller number. Okay. So first one is 0.16, 0.29, 0.16, 0.29, 0.74, 0.92. So first we have to arrange in a like decimal, but here already they are in a like decimal. After decimal point, 2 digits are there. So we will directly compare. So here first, before the decimal point, the number is 0, 0, 0, 0. So we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 1, 2, 7, 9. So which one is the greatest? 9. So we will write 0.92. And between 1, 2, 7, which one is the greatest? 7. So we will write 0.74. So now between 1 and 2, which one is the greatest? 2. So 0.29. Then we will write, which one is left? 0.16. Now number 2, 0.67, 0.86, 0.75, 0.58. So here also they are in a like decimal. So we will compare directly. So here first digit before the decimal, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. So we will compare the 10th place digit, 6, 8, 7, 5. So which one is the greatest? 8. So first we will write 0.86, then between 6, 7, 5. Which one is the greatest? 7, 0.75. Then between 6 and 5, which one is the greatest? 6. So 0.67. Then which one is left? 0.58. Now number 3, 3.2, 3.22, 3.222, 3.2222. So here we have to make it first like decimal. So here highest decimal places is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Okay. So we have to make it in a 4 decimal places. So 3.2000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. Then 3.2200. Then 3.2220. So 3.2222. So now we have to compare. Arrange in a descending order. So here first whole number before decimal point is 3, 3, 3, 3. So we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 2, 2, 2, 2. That also all same. Now we will compare the 100th place digit, that is 0, 2, 2, 2. So between 2, 0 and 2, which one is the greatest? 2. But they are in 3 digits. Okay, in 3 decimals, 2, 2, 2. So we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 0. Sorry, we will compare the 1000th place digit, that is 0, 0, 2, 2. So which one is the greatest? 2. So here also 2, 2. Now we will compare the 10,000th place digit, that is 0 and 2. So between 0 and 2, which one is the greatest? 2. So first we will write 3.2222. Then now we will compare 3.2000, 3.2200, 3.2220. So whole number is all 3, 3, 3. Now we will compare the 10th place, that is 2, 2, 2. Now we will compare the 100th place, 0, 2, 2. So between 0, 2, which one is the greatest? 2. So here we will, both are 2, 2. So now we will compare the 1000th place. So 0 and 2, which one is the greatest? 2. So we will write 3.2220. Now we will compare between these. So in 10th place 2, 2. And in 100th place 0, 2. So which one is the greatest? 2. So we will write 3.2200. Then which number is left? 3.2000. Now number 4, 2.635, 2.065, 2.005, then 2.006. So already they are in a like decimal, 3 digits after decimal point. Okay. So we will write directly answer in descending order. So here before decimal point, whole number is 2, 2, 2, 2. So now we will compare the 10th place digit, that is 6, 0, 0, 0. So which one is the greatest? 6. So 2.635. Now between 0, 0, 0. Now we will compare the 100th place digit, that is 6, 0, 0. So which one is the greatest? 6. So 2.065. Now we will compare the 1000th place digit, that is 5 and 6. So which one is the greatest? 6. So 2.006, and which one is left? 2.005.